When? Tell me when.
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh, go back.
I can cut all this. Go ahead.
So here's my Predator engine 212cc OHV horizontal shift gas engine. I'm going to try to take this apart, rebuild it, and see what it looks like. It's going to be hard. That's all I think. That's all I can tell from the box. Is we're going to remove this big gas tank right here. So first thing we're going to do to remove the gas tank is undo this clip that allows us to take this gas tube out, because this is pushing air into the gas tank, and so as the gas comes out, so let's get going. There's that tube that we were trying to get off. It looks like we got 3 bolts that we're gonna take out, and I'm gonna guess it's 10 millimeter bolts. Guess I was right. This one's probably going to be the hardest one out of all of them. Mainly because that one's different size. So I'm going to use 1/16 to remove the spark plug right here, so I can get to this bolt right there that's connecting the to the gas tank. So spark plug came out using a 8 milliliter wrench to take this bolt out right there. Big bolt that we just got out. So let's remove this gas tank. So here we go. Looks like there's something holding us down. So this is day 2 of my project, and here's the engine. This is what we were trying to take off. Now that we realized that this air filter is in the way, taking out this. So we need to take out this. Gonna take this piece out. It's the little clip. This is a finger clip. This is the air filter. Now we're gonna take this thing off as well as this. So that slided off pretty nicely. So we just used a screwdriver and took this up a little bit. So now we're just gonna pop it off. Got it. Take this off, this hand clip. Put that right there. Gonna take the engine now out. This out finally. Took us forever to get out. So now we're going to take out this exhaust. This is what all the stuff comes out of. Ooh. So now we can get these two screws that we've been waiting to get forever. Well, this is all it is. This is exhaust.